The flower energy of Gorse brings in the light. Hi, I'm Floyd Grace. I'm a spiritual artist, and my focus is energetic transformation. If you want to know more about the healing properties of flower frequencies, watch my video about the nuts and bolts of flower energy. This is the story of my friend Mac. My friend Mac was given up at birth by a rich, young socialite. He was an angry, screaming baby who gave himself a hernia. Despite his volatile personality, he was shy, sensitive, artistic, and intelligent. His situation created a lifelong pattern that left him lonely, isolated, and walled off from the world. When his adopted mother, who had lost her first child and suffered deep depression, found herself unable to give her heart to Mac. As a result, Mac was left to battle the deep depression and despair of hopelessness and resignation, which impacted his heart physically and emotionally. Mac suffered the malady of the heavy heart. Gorse brings in the light. It removes the deep unconscious barrier of such a psychic wound and allows healing to begin. Immediately, Gorse restored hope to his soul. It gave him a lens of joy to observe life as a light-filled kaleidoscope of feeling, imagery, sound, and delight. His joy spilled into his soul to allow the luminous spirit to follow its true destiny away from the dark prison of his infancy into a joyful, loving world where he could be adored for his magnificent self. Gorse is the harbinger of light. It brings deep, abiding faith, hope, equanimity, and enlightened optimism. It releases discouragement, hopelessness, and resignation. The matrix of the world is a web that joins light to dark. The soul balances between these two polarities. Gorse is needed by the soul who has internalized the darkness and lost its buoyance of light. It teaches self to counteract dark with light. Light is an agent of healing and personal evolution. It has the power to disperse the magnetic polarity of darkness and restore the bleakest situation to goodness, faith, love, and joy. That is the magic of Gorse. Sit back, close your eyes, and relax into the Dharma of yourself. I am aware of my energy. I know my energy as light. It fills my being. It animates my person. It enlivens my heart. I am at peace. I ride the waves of light that rise and crest as the elegant ocean on which I surf. My energy is a great joy. It frees me to explore the entire universe. I am ecstatic in it. I am filled with light. I am uplifted and carried in boundless waves of hope and faith because I know in my heart that I am the master of my own energy and that my energy becomes the wings that give me flight from dark and bleak times where I can return my mind to the state of goodness, of love, of faith, and of joy. That I use my mind to create my world. I create my world anew in each moment. I know each moment as the pixels of eternity. I compose my eternal body. I strive to enjoy and inhabit throughout time. I understand the pixelar energy that composes my entire universe, my eternal body. This is my energy and my center. If you liked this video, please press the like button. If you want to experience more transformational videos, please subscribe. If you want to transform the world, please share. Thank you. This has been an eDojo Spiritual Arts production.